Good morning, Carl. There you go. Speaking Hungarian again. You know Mr. Kriza doesn't like it. We are Americans, you know.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Miss Kriza. You tell me every time, and I forget. Next time, I remember.
All right, just a minute. There you are.
Yes, son?
Don't keep the children too long. Breakfast in 20 minutes.
Oh, we're nearly through. Well, children, once more. Hands up. Julie, hands up. Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend down, touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Julie, hands up.
She can't, Papa. The button's off again.
Oh. Buttons off, pin up. La la li li. 1, 2, tra la la. Li. Now in your places. Now, Paul, stop dreaming.
I'm sorry. I forgot.
Well, you mustn't forget, Paul. How are you going to be a great musician if you don't keep time?
Make a pottery for this one, Papa.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bend down, touch the floor. 1, 2, out, in. Exercises keep us fit. 1, 2, out, in. Pulling stomach, stick out, chin. Julie, Mitzi, Victor, Paul. Exercise is good for all. 1, 2, 1, 2. Tra-la-la-la. And now we're through. Good morning, Anna. What do you think, Anna? The lake or the mountains this year? Now, vacations at the bank start soon.
You know you love the mountains, Papa. Not so much in your mouth at once, Victor.
Oh, I went to the mountains last year. I think this year you should decide. Paul, drink your milk, don't dream.
The lake would be nice. Wouldn't you like to wet your toesies, Julie?
Lake would be lovely. Nice and cool with breezes blowing at night. Now we could sit outside and Paul could play his violin for us.
That's a fine vacation. Listening to Paul fiddle.
No one is speaking to you, Victor. You eat your breakfast. Michi elbows. Of course, I did think if we should happen to go to the mountains again, I mean, not that I want to influence you, Anna, but if you should happen to choose the mountains, I thought perhaps would be a little extravagant and buy a camping outfit.
Camping? Geez, that